Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, East Bay Stamp Chick. This is Michelle. Thanks so much for joining me today. I have a project share for you, and this is an accordion mini album. And if you watch my Paper Stash Smash videos, this is part of that. Let me find here. We are smashing 6x6 collections this month. And I chose, if I can find the cover, this one right here. It's called Snow Day by Pink and Main. And in my first video, you can see the whole walkthrough of all the paper that you get. I actually had 2 of these. And this particular one that I've been using only had 21 sheets out of the 24. So I had already used some. And then I do have another full pad that I will not be getting to this month. But I've done really good with using this one. So I don't have very much left at all. And I made this cute little album. I love all the pastel colors. I think it's so pretty. And let me just show you here. So I made this where it was slightly open so you could slide in a photograph right here on the front. And it says, Hello Winter. This originally came in a kit. Let me show you. The kit, I don't know if it came with these sequins or not, but these are the ones that I used. But it came with a stencil and this stamp and die set, okay, and then an embossing folder. So that came with the kit, and I think there was some solid colored paper as well in there, and this paper pad. So that's what I used to embellish. And I did use some glitter embossing powder on that big snowflake, so you could just slide a photo in here and that would be super cute. So you untie both sides. This is a 6.5 by 6.5 chipboard accordion album, so the end pieces are both chipboard and it does accordion out. Now what's cool about accordion albums is if you have like a mantle or a long table, you could stand them up on that and have all the photos showing, you know, which I think is a great way to display it so it's like everyone can see. And you can flip it on both sides and utilize both sides. So what I just did, I did really simple decorating. It has this part open so you can add in a photo underneath. And same thing here, this is open so you can add in photos. Oops. There we go, right there. So it says, let's get cozy with those cute little mittens. And then just another snowflake here. And that's the back. And then you flip it over and you can show more photographs on this side. There's a Let It Snow and another snowflake. So it's pretty big. I mean, you could put a lot of photos in this. So it'd be really fun if you wanted to use it for Christmas or like a snow trip that you and your family take. Could be really cool way to display all that. I did utilize the Pink and Main stitched circle dies to cut around the words. Okay, so all the little circles you saw were from those. And that's it. So really quick, really easy album to make. And it utilized actually quite a bit of paper. I was really surprised. It really used up a lot of that paper pad. The polka dot ribbon is from Hobby Lobby, something I had in my stash that I had gotten a while ago, actually on clearance. But I thought the gray really worked well because there's a lot of grays in this paper pad. So that was perfect, I thought. And I think the 2 bows on each end are just cute. So yeah, so that's my latest project. Let me know what you think if you would make one of these. I think they were so easy, so fun. And don't forget, subscribe to my channel so you can get more crafty inspiration and get updates about what I am working on. All right, thanks a lot, everyone. Have a great day. Bye-bye.